welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a super quick update for you. This is a collab that I created to do with Misty, and a bunch of people have joined in. Everyone that has joined in is going to be listed down below. This is a super chill, no pressure kind of project. It's like open-ended, so you can work on it when you want to. If you don't feel like it, you can update it when you want to. However you want to do it, it's just easy. It's four products, and they're very specific prompts though. There are. We started this, let's see, January 24th of this year, 2022, and it's just going to keep going. I'm going to keep this going, but given my new uploading schedule of only every other day, this is going to be from here out updated only on Instagram, and I will try to upload it or like post my update around the 24th of every month, because that's when, you know, that would be in line with when we started it on January 24th. So, yeah, from here on out, it will be on Instagram, jessicalee.3, if you want to check that out. And yeah, let's do this. Something old, something new, something gifted, something blue. So, 4 products: an old product, a new product, a product that was gifted. It could be a gift from friend or family. It could be something that someone decluttered to you. It could be PR, free gift with purchase, however you define gifted to you and your collection. And then something blue. And for me, that's not eyeshadow. All right, let's get into the something old. And I actually have a rollout. This was for usage only. This is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Sunbeam. I just wanted to use it 5 times, and I actually got a nice little dip going in there just from using it the 5 times. I enjoy it. It is a super light, beautiful pale yellow, and it is going to go back in my collection. I have a feeling I'm going to be bringing this out again in the new year just because I enjoy it so much. This feels like a Eastery kind of color to me, so I will probably bring it back out in like the springtime. All right, let's go on to, I will be rolling in something for my old, something new, and that is another yellow eyeshadow. I was feeling the yellows when I rolled this in. Sadly, I haven't even used this one yet. I wanted to use it 5 times, but because I spent all of my time on Sunbeam, I haven't been able to use You Got Syrup. And that is this beautiful yellow right here. This is more of a mustardy yellow, and it looks like it's coming out brighter on camera, but it's definitely like a yellow gold mustardy kind of tone in real life. It is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. It is staying in, and I will be working on that to get my 5 uses, hopefully by the next update. All right, moving on to something gifted, and this was a PR thing that I got, and I should have marked it, but I didn't. I will after I'm done filming. This is the Exuviance Age Reverse Total Correct and Sculpt Serum. I got this in PR, so that's how it was gifted to me. I am right about here, and my goal is going to be to finish this one. I really like the serum. It is incredibly moisturizing, and it makes my skin feel good without being overloaded, because I'm an oily girl. So, you know, I appreciate moisture without feeling greasy, because I already got that going on. All right, now something blue. It is in the same line, and it's kind of like a teal blue, but it is definitely, it leans more blue. This is the Exuviance Age Reverse Day Repair. It's got an SPF of 30 in it. I really like this, but you can't see through it. I should have waited, but I didn't. But you can kind of see it's starting to dent in a little bit here. So, yeah, I am making some progress. It's going to take a while, but that's okay. That's okay. We got all the time in the world, because this is the most chillax kind of project, and I'm here for it. All right, so those are my 4 products. 1 is rolling out right here, Sunbeam. These 3 are staying in, and I need to bring in a new product, which is actually an old product, because it is for the something old. This is like really old, like really, 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 like probably 2008, 2009 old. I know that's ridiculous. It's almost scary, But this is an e.l.f. eyeshadow single. They haven't made these in a while. I actually should get on my Instagram and scroll way down, because when I first started posting on Instagram, I'm pretty sure I posted this haul. This is in the color taupe, and my goal is going to be to hit pan on this baby. I think it's going to be a fun shade to work with. It's going to go with a lot of things that I'm working on. So yeah, taupe. You can't go wrong with a taupe color, a taupe shimmer. Yeah, it's going to be easy to use. So that is my goal for that one, is to hit pan. I do think I can probably have my 5 uses done by the next update. Like I said, should be around December 24th on Instagram, jessicalee.3. And definitely go check out Misty and everyone else that has joined in. I know Shelly has joined in, and there's like a bunch of other people. They're going to be listed down below. If you want to join in, by all means, we would love to have you pan with us. Just let me know, and I'll get you put in the description for this video, and I will put that in when I am updating on Instagram. I will tag you on that, and yeah, I think that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.